Hi, I'm Susan, and if you've been dealing with joint stiffness, soreness, or that uncomfortable feeling that your body just isn't moving like it used to, you're not alone. For years, I struggled with aching knees, sore hips, and that frustrating cycle of trying products that never seemed to deliver lasting relief. But then I found something that completely turned things around for me. And before I tell you what it is, there are two very important warnings you need to hear. First, be careful where you buy from, because of how popular this formula has become. Counterfeit versions are appearing online. The original is only available through the official website, which I've linked below this video. Second, this isn't a quick fix or magic pill. It's a clinically backed formula made in FDA-registered facilities, designed to work with your body to support joint health naturally. So what is Joint Genesis, and why is it creating such a buzz? It's a 100% natural blend of powerful joint-supporting ingredients like turmeric extract, glucosamine, chondroitin, boswellia serrata, and Mobili registered trademark hyaluronic acid. Unlike other products that just mask the pain, Joint Genesis trademark targets the root of joint discomfort, helping to rehydrate and thicken the synovial fluid for improved mobility and comfort. Each batch goes through strict laboratory testing to ensure purity, safety, and effectiveness. It helps support youthful mobility, maintain a healthy inflammatory response, and strengthen your joints so you can move freely without worry. The result is long-term joint comfort, flexibility, and a renewed sense of freedom in your daily life. Before finding Joint Genesis trademark, I was frustrated and emotionally drained. I felt like nothing was really helping me. Every time I thought I was getting better, the stiffness and aches came right back. Thousands of people have already made Joint Genesis trademark a part of their daily routine, reporting real transformation in their mobility and comfort, all without harsh medications or invasive procedures. But let's be honest, every body is unique. While many users notice a difference within the first week, the most lasting results appear after 2 to 3 months of consistent use. That's when your joints have had time to fully rehydrate, strengthen, and regain flexibility. And to make this decision completely risk-free, the creators offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Today, I can honestly say I feel like myself again, flexible, comfortable, and finally free from the constant worry of stiff joints. Joint Genesis trademark gave me back my peace of mind, and I couldn't be happier with the results. I made this video for one simple reason: to share something that genuinely worked for me, and to warn you against the fakes that could harm your health and waste your money. If you decide to give Joint Genesis trademark a try, please commit to the process. Take it seriously, as directed. Every capsule of Joint Genesis trademark is produced under strict quality standards and passes multiple laboratory tests for purity and potency, so you know exactly what you're putting into your body. Over 80,000 people can't be wrong. The official link is right below in the description and the first pinned comment. Take the step for yourself and rediscover the comfort, mobility, and confidence you truly deserve.